I'm gonna create the most epic backyard haunt.
$4,000 worth of f***ing haunted Halloween bullshit.
$4,000.
Double toil and trouble.
I don't have everything I need yet to pull off my epic backyard haunt / Halloween party. Okay, just got the invitation sent out. Very cute. Just hanging out with my pumpkin. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Once I get all the lights set up back here, it'll be really spoopy. Will it happen? Hopefully. Tune in the next 3-ish or so days to find out. Well, hello again, Internet. Corinne here, and you're watching a woman with far too many ideas and very little time slowly losing her mind. Yes, it is Monday, October 28th, and we have about 3.5 days until people will be here expecting to be haunted. Not to mention music and food and dancing and fun. I am currently in my attic because I still have not gotten any of our old Halloween decor out of here yet. Yeah, I have to try to fit this giant spider through this tiny hole. That's not a sentence you'll say very often. We have a lot of work to do, so let's get started, shall we? Huh?
What do you think you're doing up there?
Getting the Halloween decor down.
Okay, well, hand it to me.
I'll hand it to you. What do you want on your tombstone?
Too soon.
Beware. Oh, Aragog, you don't look so well. Who did that to your legs? How'd you even get the spider up here?
It crawled up here.
Despite her own good. Ah!
I don't know how we're getting this thing down. Oh, look, with all the air ducts.
Well, you better duck.
This. Ow! God damn it.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Oh.
Oh.
All right, Aragog, this is gonna hurt a little bit.
Oh my god.
Oh, Aragog. Watch out.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Ow!
Thank you.
Yeah. It stinks right here.
What? So, yeah, we have a couple days left until a bazillion people are gonna be at the house, and I have about 1/3 of the things done that I wanted to get done. I have to get the ladder back out, fix this thing. None of the lights on the trees are working, and I only spent about 3 days putting the lights on the trees, and now they're not working. I don't know why. I feel like this is the kind of stuff that has to happen though when you're trying to pull off a DIY epic backyard haunt. There's gonna be some trials, tribulations, but we're gonna do everything we can to pull this off, okay? Still have faith. I have Kevin here, he's gonna help me put some shit together. I have a new idea for the creepy lighted hands tunnel, so hopefully that works out. But it's gonna be a lot of work, so. It's a 10-foot by 15-foot pop-up canopy, purple. We're gonna open this up, we're gonna put it here, and it's gonna be f***ing awesome. We did it. We have a tent. It is our entryway tunnel. Yes! It's alive! It's alive! It's the purple tent of my dreams. This is awesome. All right, we hung up some of the fabric that I just got from the fabric store. So now we're just gonna cut little strips like that. You have to get the right kind of fabric to do this though. Otherwise you'll be Aw. You don't want to do that.
What just happened here? We were good to go with the zip tie and everything, and now
Stop at a certain point. You can't rip all the way through. Yeah, bitch. It's happening. This is awesome. Thanks for coming over and helping me, Kevin.
Yeah, I've actually been wanting to do this since we first met. And I was just telling the story about the gingerbread thing. And I was like, I want to do weird stuff like that.
Weird.
I mean, you know, whatever, creative.
This is totally normal around here.
Oh yeah, for sure. That's what I'm saying. But for the average person, they don't get to do stuff like this.
So Kevin actually has his own YouTube channel.
Oh yeah.
You
Plug.
should check it out. Steady Spin. We did just drill plywood into my brand new fence, but it's Halloween. Those are the sacrifices you have to make for Halloween if you want to have an epic DIY backyard haunt, goddammit. All right, so I think if we just put the wall back up, it's nice to have someone helping you.
Yeah, I don't know what it would be like to be 5 foot tall.
I really can't reach.
Let's get this party started.
I gotta hand it to you.
Oh,
That was pretty dumb. See, this is a lot less complicated than I thought it was gonna be.
thanks for the hand.
Whoa! Creepy hands with lanterns. Check. That's awesome. I honestly didn't think it was gonna happen. I was about to abandon this project completely. So.
I think we brought her in. We brought her in for the win.
We did it! We did it! Okay, so I got a bunch of this stretchy fabric, and my intention is to wall off this underneath area of the porch. Yes, spider zone. Get into the zone. The spider zone. Spooky. Yeah. It is currently raining a lot. And there's supposed to be thunderstorms tomorrow. Pretty much all day into the evening, maybe ending at around 9 p.m. Basically, when trick-or-treating is supposed to be over. Now, I'll be honest, I've wanted to give up a few times today. Because who wants to go out to a Halloween party in the frickin' rain? I personally probably wouldn't want to do it, but I'm gonna persevere because that's all you can do. Did I mention it was gonna be like 32 degrees also? Yeah, not great conditions for a Halloween party, but that's okay. We're gonna make it happen and it's gonna be fun, damn it. So a couple updates. Now that the tent is all wet, you can really see the wood showing through it. But that's okay, because when it's dark out, it should be better. The witches that I originally went to that damn website for are still in their boxes because I don't want them to get all ruined out in the rain. Martha Stewart makes it look so easy. The trees started working again, but then they stopped working again. So that's the update on that. I put these out a while ago, but they kind of have a little water in them. Do you think that's bad? Probably. Need to put up all the spider webs, more fabric here, and you know, I'm just kind of ready to give up at this point, you guys. I've roped my family members into putting up spider webs, even though it doesn't seem like they've ever really put spider webs up before. Yeah, I'm gonna just have to redo all this when they go to bed. It's fine.
Holy cow.
Happy Halloween!
Go. All right, Corinne's gonna go cry.
Yeah, that was wild.
She did it, folks.
I did it. There's a couple things that didn't really work out like I wanted them to, like these lights, for example.
Yeah, you spent a lot of time on those.
I spent like 3 days putting the lights on these trees and they don't want to stay lit for some reason. Not lit. Not lit AF.
That's not lit. It's all coming alive. It is all happening, folks.
They stay on for a little bit, but...
Oh my God. Holy cow. Trick-or-treaters in the sunset. What do you think about that?
There's more presents. Yeah. That is awesome.
Robin Cran's pumpkin carving kit, legitly.
There it is. Bunch of people up there partying their asses off. Fire pits, lights, ghosts, moving inflatable cats, creepy people in the goddamn windows. Oh my goodness. So then you walk through here and you got a little spider action. Creepy. I mean, there is no stone left unturned over in this place. Corinne did a pretty f***ing good job. It took her 3 goddamn weeks and $10,000. Ooh, spooky.
What happened here? Yo, baby, what happened here last night? It was actually these napkins that started it all. I couldn't resist buying the cute little cocktail napkins, and that's when I decided we had to have a party. And here we are, the day after Halloween. We had a lot of trick-or-treaters, and they seemed to like everything, but there are some things I definitely need to change. I need a crap ton more lights in the tunnel, and we're pretty sure the tree lights kept not working because it was raining so much. When it finally stopped raining yesterday and things dried out a little bit, they worked just fine. So, good job, tree lights. You really showed up for the party. Well, I'm feeling pretty accomplished. I think we really pulled it off. I did the best I could do with the time and the resources and basically doing it all by myself with a little bit of help. Thanks, Kevin. Thanks, Uncle Mark and Aunt Diane. Couldn't have done it without you. I was so tired. My feet hurt. Shoulders hurt, my hip hurts. I want to sleep for like a week straight. So I'll be seeing you later. I hope you had a very happy Halloween.